Yeah, so we get some jelly, that's good. Hey. Yeah, get one dry jelly coconut. Right in that with me. Yeah, so I'm going to make a Jamaican Toto or coconut cake. So right now I'm making a Jamaican Toto. So I start out with the coconut threads or coconut trash, we call it. I had 4 ounces of butter and about 6 ounces of sugar. And I'm going to mix all these 3 together. At this point I'm adding cinnamon, like a teaspoon of nutmeg, a tablespoon of vanilla. And mix these together again. So I'm adding 2 cups of flour. I already had 1. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then a teaspoon of salt. Or a little bit less than a teaspoon. Half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix this all together. So a little bit on the dry side, so I had a little bit of coconut milk to combine it all together. I'm going to get it baking. So I'm trying to bake this Toto outside. Long time I not try that, but I try this today. Well, I didn't know if it ever work out, but I try a thing. Yeah, so this is what I learned from my granny growing up with her. I used to just go a bush and get a coconut. Yeah, and start make some drops or gizzada or something. But when it come to pudding and Toto, we make that outside. And she never want me burn out the little gas in the stove. She always a worry. So I learn the wood fire baking from she. So it's not even too bad to grow up without, you know. Grow up poor. Growing up poor is kind of a good thing. You learn a lot. And now I'm teaching that to my children and they're like, Mommy, I bake. That's so? Yes, I'm baking right here. So yes, so I distribute the file for wider and a little longer because the baking thing kind of long. Can't wait till you done to see what it turn out to be. Time to see what I go along with me Toto. Wicked! Hey! Hey girl, you did it! To just alright, Toto bake and ready. Yeah man, you want to smell this? Wow! Yeah, so the Toto ready and reaching at the house and a cool down because we're ready to eat this. All me did need now some cool lemonade and me don't make it, so time to get going. Why look too plain? I put some Jamaica color on it. Oh, 2 green and 1. Okay, so I put 1 yellow, 1 green, 1 yellow. Yeah, that's my Jamaican Toto. Decorated, you know, with some of my kids' candy. This is all that is left of my Toto for lunch today. Thank you for watching.